and welcome to another Warhammer 40,000 build. In today's video I am building a very special model, Commissar Severina Raine from the Black Library Celebration 2019. This special one-off model from that time. As you can see, she has a unique pose, different to other Commissars, some different weaponry. I'm going to paint and build her for you on screen. Not these paints though, I don't have these paints. It will be time-lapsed, so let us get this done. there she is, all built, painted, and ready to go. Severina Raine, the Commissar. This awesome model, once again, was made specifically for the Black Library Celebration 2019. I have done a very good job of this one, if I do say so myself, when she decides to get back into focus. You can see I've done quite a lot of detail work on her, managed to get the base all nicely done, combined together, standing on the wreck of whatever Imperial Walker that was. The shading has got all the nice recessed detail, and the light actually brings out all the creases and shine, thanks once again to the wash that I put on her. I hope that you enjoyed this video as always. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Till the next one, this is Dave for the Empire.